Hey guys, in today's episode we're going to be talking to Lyle Palm with Workshops for Warriors. They're located out in San Diego, California, and basically what they do is they have a veterans program specifically to teach active duty military that are transitioning from active duty to civilian skilled trades like welding and CNC. So let's go ahead and give them a call. Hey Lyle, how's it going? It's Jason with Weld.com. It's good to finally meet you. I'd kind of give the audience a brief, introduction about you, but go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Lyle Palm. I'm the Dean of Welding at Workshops for Warriors.
And, could you kind of give the viewers kind of like a general overview, what you guys do out there, what you're all about?
Workshops for Warriors is a non-profit veterans training center set up to help transitioning service members and veterans into advanced manufacturing careers, specifically into CNC machining and welding.
That sounds like a great program, man. I mean, the industry's like definitely in need of that stuff right now. So yeah. I know you guys are out in California, but where exactly are you?
Workshops for Warriors is located in San Diego, California, about 40 minutes south of Camp Pendleton.
Oh man, Camp Pendleton, you can practically set up shop right outside the gate and pick them up as they're transitioning.
Yeah.
So tell us, for those that are interested, how would somebody go about applying for Workshops for Warriors?
Typically on the base, through the transition service office or through the out processing arena, they'll come across Workshops for Warriors and their Skills Bridge pamphlet, and they'll seek us out through our website, which is wfw.org, and you fill out an application, and it's that simple. We give you a call, you come in for an interview, and we do we just process you like any other school.
That sounds pretty simple. I kind of wish that they would have had that through Steps and Taps when I was getting out. I mean, it sounds like a great program. So what all you guys cover in the different programs?
In a period of 4 months, you can come into our program, learn how to stick weld using SMAW, gas mill arc welding, and flex core arc welding, and you can leave there with 7 welder certifications. That's
pretty impressive. I mean, it's a short amount of time to get all that stuff. So I mean, probably a lot easier to kind of control veterans and stuff like that with the discipline and stuff that they have. But I mean, I've heard you guys got some pretty good job placement rates and stuff like that. So I mean, what's going to make a candidate from Workshops for Warriors stand out, better from, than somebody coming out of like traditional trade school or, a local college or something along those lines?
So our students here at Workshops for Warriors are sought after heavily by industry because they know how to perform and complete the mission. They know how to show up to work on time. They have a great work ethic, and they work well in teams together. That mindset comes from a very rigorous military training, and that is ingrained into any military service member from the day one at boot camp.
Definitely. Well, hey man, I appreciate you taking the time and informing our viewers. Hopefully we can send some people that way, get some interest driven up. But I mean, it's great talking to you. Hopefully we'll meet up at FabTech.
My pleasure, Jason. Hopefully we can work together in the future.
All right, man. Have a good one. Bye. All right, guys. So the purpose of this video is to bring awareness to the Workshops for Warriors and all the great things they're doing for our servicemen and women. If you're an active duty military and you're getting ready to separate or transition from the military, go ahead and check them out. Talk to your transition assistance officer for more information or contact them directly through wfw.org. They're also a 501c3 nonprofit, so if you're not a service member, you're not looking to go to school, you can still make a donation. I want to thank you guys for watching Weld.com and have a safe and happy 4th of July.